Hey, it's Peter here on Doxie in the beautiful Queensland town of Tin Can Bay on Tin Can Bay Creek Inlet, whatever. Day 75 of my trip from New South Wales to Queensland. Not half as far as I thought I would be by now for many reasons, which if you've been following the videos you'll know. If not, by all means go back and have a look. I'm here now for about a week. Basically my engine mount's collapsed, and I am looking for a resolution. I was hoping to have a local marine diesel mechanic come on board and have a look, but he's away on I think family matters at the moment, and I spoke to him this morning and he probably won't be back now until next week at the earliest. So I'm basically looking at a parts supply company which should be able to provide me with the needed mounts. I'm just verifying that I have the right ones because the parts are not cheap. Like about $300 for a hunk of rubber. And there's more to it than that, obviously. But yeah, it is what it is. Just want to make sure I've got the right ones before I go ahead and do anything. Just looking at Tin Can Bay rather than looking at my mush. Here I am. I'm just going to verify that today. Hopefully, maybe order the parts, including a part that needs to come from Belgium, more than likely. So we can get something underway at least. So living and learning, and you can see the rain clouds back there. We have had rain. The forecast today is for drizzle, so we have had some of that already, but now the sun's poking through a little bit, and I don't know, the sun between rain showers seems to be very strong, which is nice because it's feeding straight onto my panel at the moment. So I was sitting here looking, it's like, boy, that boat looks so much like Doxie. But similar configuration, but it's a steel boat to start with. Similar design though, similar idea. So the tide's about to swing, which basically means the stern of the boat's going to point upstream, probably more into the wind, and away from the sun, so that won't be very nice. So I'm kind of just enjoying the sun while it's here. I'm just looking at little Mini Doxie, if you like. I'm going to hop ashore in a little while, do a bit of shopping. Might as well do that if the weather's not too great. Top up the water, that kind of thing. Yeah. And hopefully the rain will hold off a bit like it has been doing. It's sitting over Fraser Island pretty much. That's Fraser Island, that sort of blue hill in the background there. So it seems to be mainly going that way. So far, so good. Yeah, it's settling into a bit of a bleak one. I might go and do some chores. Doxie's all locked up. And got all the things I need to take. If you're going to do a trip, you got to make sure you do everything. So water to pick up, rubbish to throw out, shopping bags and stuff, and petrol to put back on board now that I've refilled the jerry can. Okay, let's round up Mini Doxie or whatever and make the trip up that way. Well, that again. Yeah, the wind's definitely whistling down this passage. So, note to self, come on high tide next time. Yeah. Well, that's okay. I'll wait it out. It's coming up. Right, I did drag it across. A combination of on the belly and on the wheels. Just because I'm that impatient. Just tied it to a tree. And, dumped the rubbish bins in the park, filled up water taps in the park, and then walked through the streets further up and went to the supermarket. And now we're back, and I do the whole thing in reverse. Hopefully not so wet this time because I'll be going with the wind mostly. Okay, with a big jiggery pokery, I got off the beach with my spoils. And heading back round. Doxie. Hopefully I'll get there dry. From the sea and from the rain. Yeah, not looking too flash in that direction. When you're pleased you got back from shopping just in time. Oh dear. Well, they did say it's acting to the forecast at the moment, so yeah, looks like we've got a beam of cloud coming through there, still clear over there, so I'll take it. Yep, and raindrop. Yeah, that's looking downwind. You can see, oh, somebody just took off in the Catamaran before. I think I can see them down there with their jib up. Oh well. Just got to wear wet weather gear and it'll pass. Yeah, it's fairly narrow band because it's fairly clear that side too, so I guess it was our turn to get it. Looks like Jonathan's come to visit me. No deposits, please. Yeah, it looks like today's been brought to us basically to remind us how nice the other days were. So yeah, I agree, they were. Can we have them back, please? Thank you. Hey, it's a bit of a grey day, right? I think it's been sent along just to sort of like, yeah, in case you guys think it's like this here all the time, not so much. So anyway, that's okay. Everything will seem so much nicer when it does revert back to nice sunny days. Yeah, it's sort of been frustrating. I'm trying to source one of the parts. Well, part I need two of, but there's one part, the base adjusting plate. And you think I can find it anywhere. It's always been a case I've found with me, it's just me I guess, that my things I always have been made by pirates or something, because the serial numbers never match on a website, so I can't just get to that point of being 100% clear on whether it is right or not. I might, yeah, I'll try again and call a dealer tomorrow, a Volvo Penta dealer, see if they can get into their system and find it, because before I order anything I just want to make sure it's right. So anyway, on that note, and ending this particular year in my life, yeah, tomorrow starts a new one, yeah, I'm gonna say good night and keep warm, and I need a glass of red to warm myself up. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, any of those things. Comment. Love to hear from you guys. So yeah, it's just great to know who's watching and what you think. Maybe there's things I could be doing better, things you want to see. I know I still have to complete the rest of my boat tour. I just looked at the mess at that end of the boat and I thought, not yet. I already battled the elements going shopping. I think I've done enough. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is Dawn Raider, out. Thanks for watching another Adventures of Foxy Doxie. As always, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.